Well, this racetrack, I don't know if my colleagues there say, but this one is the most tricky track we have in the world, because the most part of the corners is all blind, and they have a lot of elevations. You know, they are making confusion for you because you're thinking you be in one place, but you're not. You stay in another one.
Yeah.
That's the reason you need to have a lot of careful the way you memorize all the points. This track you have 4 kilometers 569 meters longer, and it's calling everybody a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Okay, the first and the second corner we do all in one time. Is a half of the circle. See, we enter, maybe the car going to the left side, and then enters again, and the exit is going to be in the left.
Yeah.
Okay. Here you're going to brake straight and try to push the car the maximum you can to the right side.
Yeah.
Okay? Be on the right side, and then you see the red strip turn to the left. Okay? But open, don't close this corner. Okay?
Yeah.
Be on the right side. Be on the right side all the time, because this part is the most flat part of the track. Because another ones you have more bumping.
Yeah.
Okay? Here start to brake straight, and then
left. Second gear bend, yeah?
Yeah, left. Because this one is very close.
Very tight, yeah.
Be on the right side, and very smooth, we're going to do the transition to the left.
Yeah.
Okay? Be in the left, now, left, and then right.
Yeah.
The exit is going to be in the left side, okay? Here you're going to brake, change the gear normally.
Yeah.
You're going to catch the apex, and the exit is going to be in the left side.
Yeah.
Try to be fluid.
Yeah, that's a spinner, yeah.
Here, do the transition to the right, and be in the right side, okay?
Yeah.
And then here, left, with the exit on the right, okay?
Yeah.
Now you're going to see the house of the marshal, the 17, and you're going to the other side of the track. Open the angle,
very late apex,
and push the car to the right. The car is being stable, okay? It can give you all the power, and the first red strip, turn to the left. Turn to the left, and the exit is going to be on the right side.
Yeah.
Right side, okay, and then left. Catch the apex, and the exit is going to be on the right. Now do the transition to the left.
Yeah.
Here you're going to be a little bit forward, and then you're going to catch the interior of this corner to the right. Okay? I never touching the steering wheel. It's been always the same position. And now take me to the left side.
Yeah.
Okay? Be on the left side, and then right. Put the wheel on the white line. Okay?
Yeah.
All the times in the white line. Okay? And here start to open and take the car to the left side of the track. Okay? Be on the left side. Be on the left side always. Okay, here.
Right, at the end of the, just after the end of the
992 meters longer, and then going inside. Okay?
Now.
Very smooth all the times here and faster.
Yeah.
Okay. Brake straight. Well, in the race you cannot open the door, you can close, okay, but with you don't have anybody behind of you.
Yeah.
Do the most fluid line, okay? Open, leave the car going to the right.
Yeah.
Be the right all the times, right.
Like on the crest of the hill, down into second. Very wide.
Try to use all the track.
Yeah. Now. Yeah.
Okay. Right. Do the transition very smooth to the left.
Yeah.
You see, I'm beating the point.
Yeah.
Okay, brake, and then right, and the exit. Okay, the exit.
Yeah. A bit wet today.
Wet. And I don't have any front.
Yeah.
Okay, leave it.
Yeah.
Do the transition.
Yeah.
Okay, and then left. Start to brake in direction of the house of the marshal.
Yeah.
The 17, don't forget it.
Yeah.
Open the angle and push the car to the right.
Very
The
late
car
apex,
is
holding
being
to the
stable.
right. pass the cones, hold it.
And then here you try to lift the car
let it
to
drift
the...
across. Now get straight. Accelerate.
Okay, obrigado. It's red because it's closed the section. That's the reason. Alright. Already asked to the race control. You've been given the second lap?
Yeah.
Car is more like this one here.
Yeah. Probably not quite as quick. So now let's go one bit straight. Hold out. Hold time. In, let go. Very similar to that. Latest brake point here. Where is the brake point?
The brake point?
Yeah.
A little bit down.
Down. So past the pit lane, brake,
here,
top of the second hill.
Yeah. That's the brakes when they go down, okay?
And then fluid through here.
We've been in the last lap?
I think so. Yeah. Okay. In. Tight. Hold right. End of lump strip, in left, line left, top of the barrier, brake. In second gear, in tight, rump strip, right out, keep off the green, look slippery. Lovely track.
Thank you.
It's very, very nice.
It's a very tricky track. It's a very... Everybody is calling it the roller coaster.
Yeah, brilliant. Lovely. Feel there, like, it's the edge of the world there.
Technical, because if you open or if you go around, you open, you can overtake it very quickly.
Right, okay.
Now we're going inside to the pit line. enjoy it?
Yeah, no, I did. Thanks, Josh.
You understand? You have any questions to do it?
I wouldn't mind if you have a map of the course, just put a mark in it. That'd be brilliant. No, that's lovely. Thank you. I think that would make me considerably quicker tomorrow. So thanks.
Welcome.